Hi guys, welcome back to yet another edition of Cooking with Me in my kitchen. Today I've decided to make some lemon pepper wings for my dinner, and with that I'm gonna be serving some macaroni and cheese. But before I make that, I need to make the sauce for the macaroni, and these are the ingredients that I will be using for the sauce. I've got some whole milk, I've got some grated white cheese, I've got some soft cheese as well, and I've got my spices. I've got 1/8 each of nutmeg, cinnamon powder, some clove powder, some salt, and some black pepper. I've got 2 tablespoons of flour, I've got 2 tablespoons of butter. So let's get this baby on the road. First thing you want to do is melt your butter. And to this you want to add your flour and just mix it. Now you're gonna add some milk, and you want to do this gently and little at a time. Once it has thickened, you're gonna add some more milk and continue to cook. You want a runny consistency, but not too thin. I've got some more milk, so I'm just gonna add it also. This is perfect. So I'm just gonna add my seasoning to my spices to the pot. Well, I've got some black pepper and salt in it also. And just make sure this is properly mixing. Go ahead and give your pot a taste. It's that time to add your cheese. So I've decided that I'm not gonna use the cream cheese because I've got enough grated cheese. But just add your cheese and gradually. Guys, that's my cheese sauce. I hope you like this video. Hey guys, it's me. I've decided to make some lemon pepper chicken, actually it's wings, for my dinner, and I'm gonna serve it with macaroni and cheese, some fried plantains, and maybe some cucumbers, and we'll see. But for now, these are my chicken wings. I make sure I wash them clean them up nicely because guys, a lot of feather can be found on your chicken wings, so you need to make sure you clean it thoroughly. Wash it with lemon and vinegar to get away all the slime and the rawness. And over here I've got some flour, and I've got some black pepper and some chili powder inside it, and that's all I'm gonna be using because my chicken wings are already seasoned, and I don't want a salty food. I want to be able to enjoy my meal. So to my flour, I'm just gonna add some pieces. So I season my chicken as normal as I would do, and I added some lemon pepper and seasoning, and this is where the lemon and pepper comes from. So I'm just gonna coat these wings, and then I'll add it to my pot over there that is already on the fire. If you want to know if your oil is ready, just sprinkle a little flour into it. So before adding the chicken, you want to dust off the excess flour and just add them to your pot. And just fry as you would normally be frying your chicken. Remember, these are wings, so they will not take forever to fry. So our first batch is ready. Okay guys, so here are the chicken wings. They're now fried, and so we're gonna go on to the final stage of this lemon pepper and chicken. So here I've got some melted butter. I'm just gonna add some of the lemon pepper seasoning to our melted butter. Be generous, guys. And I'm gonna add some mixed herbs also, purely because I want to give it a little flavor. And me, I'm gonna add some lemon juice to it because I want to taste both the lemon and the pepper. I'm gonna just mix this all together. So I'm just gonna drizzle it over the wings, and you can brush it on